NC is they sort of
I don't think we all got it.
and yeah, he's basically.
Cambridge City Council would like to thank all those who pulled together to make this event possible tonight. Our media partners, BBC Radio Cambridgeshire and Cambridge News, all our collection volunteers, the Thurston Family Fun Fair, Park and Ride, Bolton Fireworks who provided this year's display, you for your donations this evening, and our 22 corporate partners for their sponsorship, without whose generous support this event simply would not be possible. They are Adcock Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Limited, Anglia Ruskin University, Barclays Commercial Bank, Barclay Homes, Bidwells, Borley Brothers, Cambridge University Press, Cambridge Water, Deloitte, Don Arban, Ernst & Young, The Grafton, John Lewis, KPMG, Marshall Motor Group, Microsoft Research, Mills & Reeve, Knapp Pharmaceuticals, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Redgate Software, Ridgeons Limited, and TTP.